Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to learn how to remove widgets from iPhone lock screen in iOS 16 or later. iOS 16 is packed with a number of pretty cool features, including the option to add widgets to iPhone lock screen. But what if later you happen to change your mind and want to remove specific widgets from your iPhone lock screen? Well, there is a pretty quick way to get it done. Let me show you how it works. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First and foremost, you have to unlock your iPhone with Face ID or Touch ID. Then you have to long press on the lock screen to access the wallpaper gallery. After that, you have to swipe left or right to find the lock screen wallpaper from which you want to remove widgets. Then you have to tap on Customize button that appears at the bottom of the wallpaper. After that, you have to tap on the Widgets panel that appears below the time to bring up the Widgets selector. Now you have to tap on the minus button to the left of a specific widget that you want to remove. And if you want to add any widget, simply tap on it. Once you have added or removed any widget, make sure to tap on the Remove button at the top right corner of the window to close it. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner of the screen. Then you will get the option to set it as wallpaper pair or customize your home screen separately. In the end, make sure to tap on your newly customized wallpaper to activate it and you are good to go. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.